to do rotation safely, you need anti-rotation to control the movement. And anti-rotation could be anything like a plank or a Pallof press or whatever. And it is it is not done enough. So when I see golfers that have chronic type of back injuries, or they just lose distance on their swings, or their club head speed goes down because they're going through a growth spurt and they're feeling a bit uncoordinated, I do find that not a lot of anti-rotation exercises are in their gym or their conditioning program. So if you start with a golfer and you break it down, so you do push exercises, pull exercises, rotation exercises, anti-rotation. But anti-rotation is like training your core. And then once you actually once the golfer masters those single movement, single plane movement exercises, then we actually start combining the exercises. Then we combine a push and pull exercise, and we combine rotation and anti-rotation, and then eventually combine all four of those components.